Hi everyone, welcome to Wuppertal, Germany. Today we are going to explore this beautiful city together. So let's start the tour. Right now you can see this big white building behind me. This is the Rathaus of Wuppertal, which is the city hall. People come here for a city registration, official documents, job search, and many government related service. Now let's go down and continue exploring the city. So, here in front of you can see Wuppertal Hauptbahnhof, also known as Wuppertal HBF, the main railway station of the city. Around the station, there are lots of shops like DM, Prima, Teddy, many food stalls, restaurants and clothing shops. It's one of the biggest and busiest area in Wuppertal. You can already see how many people are walking around here. The streets are always active and full of energy. It's a very busy and lively part of the city. Now let's just explore the streets together and enjoy the vibe of Wuppertal. Today we are going to cover around 8 to 9 kilometers by walking through different parts of the city. One interesting thing about Wuppertal is that it is connected with around nearby small town, which make this area feel very large and connected. So come with me and let's explore more about Wuppertal, Germany. When you come to Germany, one thing you definitely need to learn is walking, because here, whenever you go, it's walk, walk and more walking. Honestly, your body becomes stronger automatically. Your stamina improves, your leg becomes stronger, and you slowly get used to being active every day. Back in India, I usually used to my scooty to go everywhere, even for a short distance. It was part of my daily life. But here in Germany, things are very different. Most people use public transportation like buses and trains because it's cheaper, convenient and well connected. And after that, people simply walk a lot. In the beginning, this lifestyle was completely new for me. I was not used to walking this much every single day. Sometimes it even felt tiring. But now it has become a habit. And honestly, I enjoy it now. But not all time. Walking around the city, exploring streets, seeing new places and staying active, it feels really good. Germany slowly changes your lifestyle in a healthy way without you even realizing it. Here you can see a beautiful big fountain in Wuppertal, and just behind it there is a huge clock building. This place looks really beautiful and give a classic European city vibe. Many people come here to relax, sit around the fountain and enjoy the atmosphere of the city and click the photos. Now again, let's continue our street walk through Wuppertal. You can see the beautiful architecture here, the unique buildings and the well-connected transportation system. One thing I really like about Germany is that even with modern cities, they still stay connected with nature. You can see trees, greenery and peaceful surroundings almost everywhere. It makes the city look even more beautiful and relaxing. Now we are going to explore one of the most beautiful walking and running paths nearby. This place is honestly so peaceful and refreshing. Right here you can see an old train station that is currently under construction. Even though it's being renovated, the area still has a very classic and historical vibe. And here you can see some food restaurants and small cafes nearby where people come to relax, eat and spend time with friends and family. But the best part of this place is definitely the front view. It looks absolutely beautiful, especially with all the greenery around. Now look at this walking path. Most people come here for walking, jogging, cycling and sometimes just roaming around to enjoy nature and fresh air. You can see people of all ages here. Some are exercising, some are walking with friends and others are simply sitting quietly and enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. What I really love about this place is how green and calm everything feels. There are so many trees and natural surroundings that it almost does not feel like you are inside a busy city. Honestly, this is also a perfect place for meditation. If someone wants peace of mind, fresh air, and a break from stress, they can simply come here, sit quickly, and relax. Places like this are one of the reasons why life in Germany feels so balanced between city life and nature.
Hello. So what happens? They have covered all this with the concrete street, just that people can they can ride their bicycle, take a walk, kids can play here. So usually it was a very old train train construction which happened here. Now there's only walking path, and it connects multiple cities here. So almost like Wuppertal's, most of the cities are covered at this section. So if you almost cover like 10 to 12 kilometers altogether. If you want to walk for that section, it is very good. And there are multiple tunnels here where you can get inside. It is around 30 meters, 40 meters of distance, and it's very beautiful. And they've also painted with a lot of pictures here. You can take those pictures and you can see kids playing here, people having bicycle ride here, jogging, walking. So mainly people come here only because of
Jogging and walking.
Yeah, to make sure your body is fit as fit.
There is a beautiful tunnel. I will show you. It's darker inside. Why?
It's a tunnel.
Like you nearby.
So as soon as you get to know, when you go inside, even your eyes can have that vision. It turns off the vision. Okay? Our eye is so well created by a God, where your eyes automatically turns a light vision, night vision it is, when it gets darker.
This one is... Hello. We are gates. Good.
Section this is for water drainage. Some rainy season, it gets plugged up, or the water gets clogged. This is the way of the passage. Actually goes through it, and it's well structured. We can see this water sections also. See it on the rock.
Laufen ist aber nicht so leicht, ne?
So ऐसा क्या होता है like when it rains on the rocks are very cold here because of the weather how it is.
Very old tunnel.
It's a very old train station where they couldn't renovate because of multiple cities that connects. So
Nice idea. But you cannot visit at night.
usually they don't allow, I think. I'm not sure of the time is what it is, but people do walk here. Some people have to connect from city to city. They take a cycle and get connected to city. That's how it is.
Actually, you know everything about Wuppertal.
To be frank, I have been here for a week to understand what kind of places to visit. So I just studied all those in Google. Just help me out.
It may look simple, but after crossing the tunnel, you will again see another beautiful walking path. Just look around. Everything is so green and peaceful. The fresh air, the trees, the natural surrounding make this walk even more enjoyable. This path is perfect for walking, jogging, cycling, or simply relaxing and enjoying nature. One interesting thing is that this walking path also connected different nearby cities with each other. So, people can travel, walk, or cycle between areas while enjoying these beautiful green routes. Honestly, walking here feels so calm and refreshing. This part is Wuppertal Ostersbaum, is a quiet and beautiful part of the city, known for its hills, green surrounding, and peaceful residential streets. The streets also offer beautiful views of the hills and houses of Wuppertal, especially during sunset or rainy weathers. Ostersbaum is also well connected with public transportation, making it easy to travel to other parts of the Wuppertal and nearby cities.
वो हमने इंट्रोडक्शन वाला अच्छा बोल दिया भूल गई
Okay. Just look at this hill view. It's so awesome and beautiful. You can click a beautiful pictures here.
Hello guys, we are just seeing the new tunnel. The name of tunnel is Rott Tunnel. It's around 364 meters and it's also dark outside. You can say something about this tunnel.
It's a bit longer tunnel compared to other tunnels we have entered. So usually it is around the path which is connecting is 13.6 kilometers away, and it almost connects 20 cities over here. So most of the Wuppertal cities are connected here.
Yeah, you can look.
The Rott Tunnel is one of those hidden parts of Wuppertal that not many tourists notice, but it has an important connection to the city's transport and development history. Originally, this tunnel was built to support the old railway and industrial transport system in the region. Wuppertal was once a very strong industrial city, and transport routes like tunnel, bridge, and railway play a huge role in moving goods and connecting different routes. Over time, as transportation changed and modern systems developed, the uses of the tunnel also changed. Today, it is no longer used in the same way as before, but it still stands as a reminder of the city's industrial part. What makes the Rott Tunnel special is not just its history, but also the surroundings. The area around it now more beautiful and green, and it has become a part of walking and exploring routes for locals and visitors. So, when you walk here, you are not just walking through a tunnel, you are actually walking through a piece of history. It connects the past and present of Wuppertal in a very unique way. If you ever visit Wuppertal, places like the Rott Tunnel show you that every corner of the city has a story behind it. Now we are visiting Wuppertal LOH. This place is very unique because it combines art with nature in such a peaceful and creative way. As you walk around here, you can see artistic design, creative space, and natural surrounding together. The greenery, open atmosphere, and artistic environment make this place feel very relaxing and inspiring. The history of this place is also very interesting. Like many old industrial area in Wuppertal, this location was once connected with the city's industrial and railway development. Over time, instead of leaving the space unused, it was transformed into a creative cultural area where people can experience art, history, and nature together. Today, the museum represents the modern creative side of Wuppertal. Artistic visitors, photographers, and travelers come here to enjoy exhibition, creative installation, and the peaceful environment. What makes this place special is that it does not feel like a traditional museum only inside a building. Here, the surroundings themselves feel like part of the artwork. You can walk, relax, enjoy nature, and experience creativity all at the same time. Honestly, place like this show how Germany beautifully preserves old space and turns them into something modern, artistic, and meaningful. So, if you ever visit Wuppertal, this is definitely a place worth exploring. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.